Here we are unboxing the AMI Reiner Speedy Marker 940. You'll notice the warranty registration sticker. Please don't forget to register your machine on our website. Your Speedy Marker 940 comes with its very own carrying case. Inside you will find the Speedy Marker 940, cartridge clip to keep your cartridge fresh. This is an additional one. The Inkjet cartridge, 2 AA rechargeable NIMH, also known as nickel metal hydride batteries, USB data transfer cable, power adapter, various power adapter connections for different countries, software CD, which is also available for download online. The flyers you will find are the warranty registration information. An important notice about removing the cartridge when it is not in use so that it stays fresh. Information about rechargeable batteries. Regular batteries can actually harm the machine, as well as cartridge care and troubleshooting information. The last thing you will find is the manual, which is also available for download online. Thanks and enjoy your machine.